I've had zero effects. I have no headache, no nausea, no vomiting, no body aches, nothing. Absolutely zero.
Initial 30 minutes, we were told to sit around the same place for observation, and we stayed back there for 30 minutes. Nothing happened.
Dr. Anil Dhar from Max Hospital first. Dr. Dhar, do you think it's the beginning of the end for India's fight against the COVID-19?
Thanks, Aditi. Yeah, you are right in a way that it's a beginning of the end. Actually, when in the morning I got the shot, so since then I'm feeling a bit relieved. So we're operating patients. I'm a neurosurgeon, so we operated patients. We had in the back of the mind somewhere you had a little fear of this COVID. So that fear is now, I think it's gone very much down now with this vaccination, and our confidence level has gone really up.
I did get, as yesterday I was told that among the list of the directors of the Max Hospital, I would be among the first one. So then I asked them, is it because I'm one of the directors that I'm getting one, or is it or any other priority? So they said, no, it's because of the capital letter, the A. So
The A.
Yeah, the A. So we got it today, and I'm really happy, and I'm sure that it's really going to bring a lot of positivity in the whole scenario. The whole sentiments, the whole momentum, the whole mood, and life is slow and sluggish. And I'm sure this vaccine is really going to uplift the spirits among the masses.
Right, sir. And you've taken the vaccine today. I really want to ask you, how are you feeling? Are you feeling any side effects? Apart from the euphoric feeling that, okay, fine, I have finally got the vaccine. How are you feeling with regard to with your overall health in terms of side effects that these vaccines might or might not be giving?
So I took it in the morning at about 1ish, and till now it's about 4:18 now. I've had zero effects. So I'm still the same Dr. Atul Peters. I have no headache, no nausea, no vomiting, no body aches, nothing. Absolutely zero. Zero side effects. Apart from the jab that you get, zero. Nothing
Okay,
at all.
and just to inform our viewers, Dr. Peters was given the Covaxin dose, and let me take that question to Dr. Dhar, who's taken a Covishield jab. Dr. Dhar, any side effects so far? How are you feeling? And what's the timeline to report back on side effects even when you feel?
So basically, I took Covishield at around 12:30, and it's now I think 4:20. So till this time, I don't feel any pain, any fever whatsoever, adverse effects people say. But I'm totally fine. And for initial 30 minutes, we are told to sit around the same place for observation, and we stayed back there for 30 minutes. Nothing happened, and it's totally I'm pain free. No nausea, no muscle pains. I think immediate adverse effects. I did not see any immediate adverse effects.
So no after effects or no side effects so far. But I'm sure so many people would have taken the vaccine. Would it depend person to person on the side effects? And I'm asking this as a doctor. Let me put that to Dr. Chatterjee. Do you think that the side effects would vary from person to person, or or do you think it's looking well so far?
It is looking well so far. See, the platform with which the vaccine, both the vaccines which have been made in India are platforms which have been used for several number of years. So we have the experience of using this platform for years and have seen that the side effects are minimal, which happens. Even if the side effects happen, it is mostly a pain at the jab site or maybe a bit of a fever that you can have, which is very normal with most of the vaccines that you get. So the expectation is that there would be hardly any side effects. It is a proven platform that we are using. Actually, the other techniques may raise a bit of a question, but the Indian vaccines, when they use the proven platforms, the chances of side effects are absolutely minimal, and we should definitely go ahead with it.
There's a lot of optimism in the air. There's a lot of joy in the air with this health drive starting. But, there is also the fear. There's a certain fear in the mind of people, and there were lots of rumors floating around in social media and elsewhere about the two vaccines that we have. There is, of course, the Bharat Biotech one vaccine, which is really not, gone through. It's the phase 3 efficacy trials are really not complete at the moment. There's a little bit of hesitation in others. So I really want to find out, what did you go, which jabs did you guys get? Was it Covishield or Covaxin?
Uh, So I got the Covaxin. I got the Covaxin. And honestly speaking, you know what? I would say that people talking negative about the vaccine are people who are probably not Indians or not true Indians in their heart. We should respect and we should remember that today we believe in a modern era we believe in modern medicine, and modern medicine is scientific based medicine. It's based on scientific data and facts and factual information. So people saying that it's not really valid, it's not right, and all those things are people who are not informed. So these are misinformed anti-national people who would want to try to give this false information among masses. It's a good vaccine. It's been worked by Indians, scientists. There are PhD people. There are doctorates. There are people who really work their heart and mind out. Right? We should respect them, and I trust it. And I would request everyone to trust. Do not go by rumors. Do not go by people who are spreading wrong news. I would disagree.
Dr. Dhar, you got Covaxin too, or is it Covishield? And what is your message to the people out there who are doubting these vaccines?
I got Covishield one, and as Dr. Atul put it rightly, I think I share the same sentiments. So we are the people who should come forward and spread a word that actually there are thousands and thousands of people who have worked on this vaccine, are scientists, and I think we should be confident about those people, and we should get it done, vaccinated.
Viewers are writing into us as we speak, and there is Rajiv Beri who's put in a question that some doctors in RML hospital are saying that they won't take Covaxin as its efficacy is not proven. Any comments? And let me ask that of you, Dr. first.
See, can I answer?
Yes, please. Yes.
See, I mentioned earlier itself, Covaxin is being made in a proven platform. The chances of side effects and all that is going to be minimal. Our past experience tells us actually, if I am there, I'm more skeptical about the other vaccines which don't have a proven platform maybe. Whereas both the vaccines made in India, including Covaxin, is a very proven technique. It's an inactivated vaccine that we have, and it's proven for so many years that the chances of its side effects, at least, the chances of its side effects are going to be minimal. Maybe the efficacy is not as good as the Moderna one or the Pfizer one, but as far as side effects go, I think our vaccines would have much lesser side effects as compared to the Pfizer or the Moderna one. This is what I think medically.